Hi, I'm Miss Margaret, a children's librarian at the LaGrange Park Public Library, and I'm here to share with you some of our resources that we have for families that choose to homeschool their children. To start with, I'll talk about the texts we have. We have a parent-teacher section, which is located near our storytime room, and we have several books on homeschooling, including the Homeschooling Handbook, the Everything Guide to Homeschooling, and the Hirsch series that takes each year individually and talks about what you need to know for each grade from preschool up into sixth grade. So that's a start. Along with our text, we also have several databases that are available to you as a LaGrange Park patron. All you need is your library card. To show you some of them, it's very easy. If you go to our library website, it's lplibrary.org, and you see at the top there's a research tab. If you click on the research tab, this page will come up, and this gives you a little bit of an idea of some of the things, and just with a click of the mouse and your library card number, all of these databases are available to you to use at home in your teaching. Some of our favorites are Novelist Plus, which is a wonderful reader's advisory tool that describes Lexile numbers, read-alikes. It's a great resource to use. Tumble Books is also on there, and Literary Reference Center is also very helpful. If you page down a bit, you will see we have Mango Languages, which helps with language learning. We also have the History Reference Center, which is another great database to use. So go ahead and take a look at those. It's really a wonderful connection to several of these areas of study. Now, along with the databases and the texts, we also have a wonderful collection of hands-on learning materials, which you'll see in the background. To start with, we have storytime boxes, and the storytime boxes include the books, they have flannel boards, they have finger plays, a lot of them are for the younger learners, and they include fiction titles as well as nonfiction titles. We have activity theme boxes that include skills for math, STEM activities. New material that we just got out on our shelves are the travel boxes, which will help teach about different cultures. And again, those have hands-on activities. They also have books included in the kits. We have Dash and Dot Robot. We have a coding box. We have a 3D pen. We have phonics boxes. The phonics boxes, I believe we have 3 of them, have games, they have tiles and whiteboards in with them. They also have reading material in there to help practice those early reading skills. We have life skills boxes, such as the cooktop box, which includes barbecue and food and a cookbook. So that kind of connects to that. We have a moon box, which teaches the phases of the moon, along with some lovely bedtime moon stories for younger children. We also have puzzles. We have blocks for that type of kinesthetic learners. We also have games. We have board games. Along with all of these wonderful boxes for checkout, we have programs on our website that can also assist with your teaching, including a Lego program, a cooking program, and of course our story times that are on our YouTube and Facebook Live channels. So that's just a short introduction to the plethora of resources that we are gathering here at the library, and we're so excited to show them to you. So if you have questions or if you ever need recommendations, please let us know. We are always here to help.